Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you the final step in our homemade herbal hair oil. Recall the first part of this video I posted a few weeks ago, and I shared the ingredients, the oils and everything I was going to be using for this herbal infusion. So it's been 2 months actually of infusing this herbal hair oil, and this journey has been so beautiful to see how these herbs are infusing properly. And these are powerful herbs. I can assure you that I'm about to extract. These oil are packed with nutrients that are great for healthy hair growth, and I can't wait to show you the benefits of each of these ingredients. Now, to get the full detail about the measurements and all that I've used for this oil, I will advise you to check the description box and go watch the first part of this video. Now I'm just going ahead to strain this oil. So initially it's not looking like an oil. Trust me, when you see the final result, you're going to know that this is some powerful hair growth oil. One of the benefits of this oil is that it helps in strengthening the hair strands and reducing breakage. The olive oil and coconut oil, they help to deeply nourish and moisturize your scalp, while the herbs like fenugreek and amla powder, of course there's amla powder in this, adds protein and essential nutrient that fortifies the hair from your roots to the tips. So I had some extra left before one of the oils I was using, so I just added it together. And the reason why the color is like this is because of the amla powder. And of course, like I said, this has been 2 months of infusion, so of course this is what it's going to look like. But don't worry, you're going to see the final result of this oil, so just stick around with me. Secondly, this oil is great for a healthy scalp. So the rosemary in this infusion has anti-inflammatory properties that help to improve scalp health, increase blood circulation, promotes faster hair growth. And also the cloves, of course, you know, cloves are known to improve blood circulation as well to the scalp, and it also encourages stronger and healthier long hair. Lastly, the oil helps to enhance the shine. It prevents hair loss. Amla is very rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that helps to prevent premature graying and strengthen your hair follicle, while fenugreek has natural proteins that improve shine and fight against hair thinning. So I had some of this hair growth oil, you know, the last one I did in this amber bottle, and the reason I put in this amber bottle is because it helps to protect the oil, you know, from any sun rays or heat or stuff like that. So it is usually advised to put your oil in a dark bottle. So right now I'm just pouring this in this bottle, but this is not the final result of this oil. Trust me, this is not the final result of this oil. But the reason why I'm putting it in this bottle is because I wasn't ready to go the final step, so I just needed it to be preserved, you know, and I just poured it inside and mixed it with even the ones I had before. But I'm still going to let this settle down because it's going to settle. It's going to settle down, and you're going to see how clean, how clear this hair growth oil is going to look in a while. Just how beautiful this oil is going to come out looking. So because of the amla, I don't usually get this color, but because of the amla powder, which is the first time I'm infusing amla into my oil, so that is why you have this kind of color. And in case you don't know, amla prevents hair loss, enhances the thickness, and also adds a natural shine to your hair. So I said I won't say too much about the use of my amla powder because I've used it, I've been using it just about a month, so I needed to use it for a long time so that I can, you know, give you guys my honest opinion. After taking down my 6-month protective style, my mini braids, I saw some things about my hair. I saw how thicker my hair has become. I saw how fuller my hair has become. I saw how stronger my hair had become. So I'm beginning to think that it has a lot to do with this amla powder, because I've never seen my hair so full and thick like this before. So fenugreek as well is inside this infusion, and of course it has protein, so it helps with the strength, hard shines, and fight against dandruff. Rosemary helps to stimulate growth, improve scalp health, reduces inflammation, and cloves helps to boost blood circulation, like I've said earlier on, and prevent split ends. So all these are the herbs that I used. There are tons and tons of herbs that you can use in the market. There are so many of them, but I like to keep mine simple. The maximum I can go is 5 herbs, but here we don't have up to 5. I think there are 4. So, but I like to just keep it simple, and because of my bad experience with using this as a paste, using herbs in a paste form, I decided to go all in, infusing them into my oils and using them as spritz, so that I can have the full benefit of these herbs. Because trust me guys, Ayurvedic herbs are the best thing you can ever give, best nourishment you can ever give to your hair. So I am not throwing out the chaff away. I'm leaving it inside this jar so that it's going to drip out all the oil, because no oil must be wasted. No oil at all must be wasted. As you can see, it's coming out little by little. So when that comes out, I'm going to transfer it into my bottle. So as you can see, all that colory oil has settled down. I think this is the amla powder, because the amla was the only powder I had in my jar. The others are rosemary, cloves, and fenugreek. So it's the amla powder that I needed to allow to settle completely. And you can see how clear, how neat this is. After transferring it into my applicator bottle, this is the one which I'm going to be using, and as the other one, I'm going to transfer it back into my amber bottle, because I had poured everything out and allowed it to settle. So now that it's all settled, I'm going to strain it out and put in my amber bottle. That is where I'm going to be storing my oils, and the one in the applicator bottle is what I'm going to be using frequently. So that is it. My homemade herbal oil is ready, and I'm thrilled to start using it consistently. Of course, I've been using it and I'll continue using it for a more stronger, healthier, and shinier hair. Don't forget to give this recipe a try and let me know how it works for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button for your natural hair care tips, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.